cars. Like I know, dude. And then Chris couldn't drive the car, so it was...
That's outrageous. I drove that car phenomenally.
No.
Come on, no.
We were in the garage, I almost hit the wall. Because you couldn't get it in second gear.
Are you kidding me? Seth, back me up.
No.
This is an absolute fabrication. I drove, first of all, the car was like a Tonka toy. And like the gear shifting was insane. I drove that car phenomenally. Seth, back me up here.
He did, no.
I was farming around those corners.
He turned into a Ferrari.
My greatest sort of source of pride is that I've been allowed to play so many different characters, to play different people in different contexts. Some of them supervillains with daddy issues. Or to play someone like Pine, who I found is so incredibly romantic and courageous. He's such a brave, deeply brave character. It's all part of my
average show, but I think there's often playing the hero, you're restricted into, there's a certain sort of expectation and set of rules. He has to be good, he has to do the right thing and so on. And I feel like that's why I love villains on screen often more than the hero, due to the sort of lack of boundaries they have and the sort of exploration they can embark on. So yeah, it'd be nice just for something different.
I kind of dismissed the whole idea of doing it. I was doing a little independent film somewhere in Mexico, and I want to go back to New York and come to LA, and I didn't really think things were going down. No, I should go back to my roots. So I was going to go back to LA. So I tossed one of my really most memorable career moves. Somebody that was around at the time said that one of my mantras is never leave any stone unturned, check everything out, which I always used to do. So I thought, okay, I'll go back to the box. And I was totally convinced they didn't have to do much persuasion. I just felt I was in good hands. Great script. Lots of efficacy. Wonderful. All of a sudden, I just caved.
God.
Okay, so everything's going on, and Michael, even though you weren't there, was Back to the Future still somewhere in your mind? Because you're in Hollywood, you hear about movie shooting.
I moved on. I mean, I've gone back to family times, and I hadn't thought about it because I didn't directly connect it to me. I never knew that there was any interest in me. So I wanted to play Gandhi, but they were looking for me. I was ready for any job, but I wanted to do a film, and so it was really, when Gary mentioned it to me again, it's completely gone. Not only that's wrong with Crispin. Crispin didn't get fired, did he?
Lest we forget, Jean Grey's rotting old ass is in love with Wolverine. And that is, I think, quintessential to this whole thing. Is it? Can it be? Is it possible that the power of love would give Wolverine an edge?
That's the owner of the Tin Angel. And I went there last night and they were showing a documentary on a musician from Philly. So I just watched it.
Right, that's sometimes what happens. They're just random. Philly's pretty random. You know what I mean?
I think it's got a great vibe.
It's got a total great vibe, especially in this area. You know what I mean? There's just so much going on. There's all the people here at Comic-Con, but then there's a lot of just tourists and fans and the history and everything.
It's great. I love it.
It's a cool city. Well, welcome. How's this? Yeah. That was a good. Do it again. That was a good photo. Yeah. That's gonna go on the webpage, like right on the splash right there.
Not unless you pay me one.
Oh.
$25.
Thank you.